Okay, so the next step now is just to top stitch the pocket, or to fold the pocket in to top stitch the fold of the pocket on the sides, and then in the next video we will attach the pocket to the front panel. So what I did was I just pinned it. I normally don't pin the folds, but because we want everything to sort of line up, I decided let me my pin, and then hopefully when we finished with all the stitching, everything will look sort of fine. Sorry, so let me see here. Hopefully everything will align. I checked the bobbin thread now. Hopefully there's enough. And I don't run out. I don't want to wind now a new bobbin especially. So I take it más slow because we want to sort of make sure that everything looks nice. Although it is really only the middle band here, this band that's printed in the middle, that must be absolutely perfect, because remember now the pocket is open on this side, so but we will see when we finished. But this one looks fine. I'm going to do the second stitch now, and then we'll take it from there. You can overlock the edge here as well, but at the back, but I don't do that. This fleece won't unravel. There's seldom trouble with this fleece. So okay, so this is fine. I think this side will be fine. So let's do the other side quickly. And the other reason why I don't like to use pins is, you know, with these industrial machines, you know, you can develop a habit where you leave your foot on the pedal here at the bottom, and then what happens is if you pin in that direction, you can easily step on that pedal by accident, and then the pin goes into your hand. And in any case, I don't recommend pinning when it comes to these machines, but you get used to not working without pins also. But you know, it is also more for safety, I think. Okay, so let me do this one. We'll see what it looks like. I'm not happy now, but it's straight. That's all that matters. What can happen is but okay, there I run out of bobbin thread. Beautifully. Okay, but that's not the end of the day. Or end of the world. Let us put it there and just see. I'll wind about bobbin now. Let us just see at least whether we are sort of. So I only managed to stitch that part, and then at the bottom there, I'll wind the bobbin now. Okay, but let us just see if we are sort of at least in line with everything. Yeah, everything lines up beautifully. So if we attach the pocket now, yeah, everything will align beautifully here and on that side. So our pocket is nicely integrated into the front panel. Okay, let me wind the bobbin, and then we'll finish the stitching on this side. But I think this looks good.